Good morning. Today is the last day of daily January vlogs. What? Hold on. Okay, so today it's supposed to rain, but I don't really have anything really to say because I don't know what's gonna happen today. Because you know, this isn't a planned video. It is, but it's not. You know what I mean? Because like I'm vlogging every day. That's like a plan. But I don't know what's gonna be in the vlogs because I don't know what I'm doing. Well, today I don't know what I'm doing. But yeah, so today I'm gonna go to school and then I'm gonna come home. And then I don't know what's after that. So let's make my water. So things I need to do: make my water, make a snack, get a jacket on, grab my computer, get in the car, go to school, come back from school, figure out what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so let's get this day going. By the way, it's January 31st. Anyone who lives in my area, did you notice how dark it is today? Like, what the heck? It's thundering. It's freaking thundering. Okay, not like you guys care, but my outfit of the day: my shirt is from Ross, my belt is from Target, my pants are from Target, my socks are stamped, and my shoes are Vans. My scrunchie is from Target. My necklace is from a friend from girls camp. And here's my messy room. Let's go. Let's get this started. Okay, so my mom just told me that I'm wearing her members only jacket. Mom, where's this jacket from?
The 80s. The 80s called. They want my members only jacket back. Show the pocket.
It's a pocket. It's also raining really hard.
It's not a raincoat, you know.
I don't want a raincoat. Right, it's raining really hard. I'm actually pretty warm though.
Yeah, but how about dry?
I am dry. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
It's like great. It's a great
day. Don't eat any of my chips, guys. Thank you. This is another rainy day vlog.
Stepped on my foot.
Another rainy day vlog, you dig?
We're eating lunch. Well, I'm not eating. What? Which one? Yesterday? I know that was one. That one was kind of boring.
Bitch, I did not say Lucas. I said me.
I should go. Gabby, come with me.
To where?
To Dallas.
To Dallas.
Help me up. Can you help me up? Can you help me up? Wait.
I can't.
My bad. I stepped on her shoe.
My feet are asleep.
Sure. Guys, this is Dallas. I don't know where to go.
Friends. Oh my God.
Hi. I don't know you guys. Okay. Bye.
Kind of awkward.
I know. She's the one I'm planning to collab with. You good? Lucas isn't a bum anymore. Whoa, that looked cool.
Daily vlog. Hi guys, I'm Gabby and I'm on the phone with my brother. Good to know, right? I know.
Don't say that.
Hey guys, it's been a long time.
Looks like I have no shirt on. Ow! Don't push me.
Okay, hey guys, it's been a long time. It's been a while. It's been like a couple days. And, you know, I missed you. Anyway, so this is Logan. If you didn't already know, he's not allowed to be in the vlogs, but I'm letting him be.
It's
not allowed to. No. Logan, give me my phone.
Wait, hold on, let me say something.
No, you're not allowed to be in the vlogs because you're a naughty boy.
I need to tell him something.
No, you're not allowed to be in my
Tell him
vlogs.
that I am the smartest one in my science group.
You're not. I don't have to keep telling people that.
I'm the smartest one. Do you think you're like
Logan's very annoying in science.
Slap me on camera. Slap me on camera.
Logan is very annoying in science.
Your mouth, Logan.
And he doesn't know when to shut his mouth.
A human centipede backwards.
Today I wore a tank top, but I didn't end up wearing because no.
I'm wearing kind of revealing shirt.
Kinda.
That's kind of why I kept my jacket on all day. Okay, when I bought it, I didn't think it would be too revealing. But now every time I wear it, I'm like, oh my gosh.
Tell them to follow my Instagram. Go put it right.
Yeah, I'll put it. It'd be like right
underscore
here.
and then Lucas Jansen. Follow me.
On what?
Instagram.
You already
I
said
literally
that.
said that. I said that.
Your voice is really deep right now.
Sorry. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start.
Okay, so now me and John are gonna go take some pictures because I'm wearing a really good outfit.
No, my outfit's no.
And no, it's not. And I really like my outfit and I want pictures. So we're going there to the garden park next to our house. So it's like an hour later. It's dark now, but I'm uploading the pictures. And I'm gonna be honest, I only got like 5 good ones. Because here, I'll show you guys. But they are literally all blurry. And I'm not happy about it. But they are all blurry. And they're all blurry. Let me get to the pictures. They're all blurry. And they would have been so good. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. And John, if you're watching this, learn how to use a camera. Because, you know, Jake and Lonnie can't be my photographers all the time. Because you know what? They're not always going to be here. And you know what? I'm going to want pictures another time. Because I have good outfits, okay? Not going to lie. Not going to, like, not say it. But I think I have good outfits. And I want pictures in those good outfits to remember. Just kidding. But I do want pictures. Because I like taking pictures. Oh, that one's a good one. But it's like, it looks like I'm wearing high tops, but I'm actually wearing pineapple socks. But yeah, that was probably not my hair. That was probably not my favorite photo shoot. But you know what? It's okay. Because it was a quick photo shoot. It wasn't a fast one. But I got some pictures of him. Let's see. My pictures that I take of him are so much better than the ones he took of me. I also got a video. Can you see it? Okay, that's only one, but I took a couple more. And yeah. Oh, also, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure to go like my new Instagram picture. I just posted some at 6-ish. So if you're watching this, it's probably later. But go like it if you didn't already. If you're already following me. If you're not, sorry. Yeah. So.
Wait, is this time lapse or?
Inmate Timothy Monk pulled out a handmade knife and yanked him to the ground. Are you gonna get a laughing with a spray didn't work. Then a prison security guard tried negotiation. But the negotiations didn't work either. The security team gathered outside the door with rifles and a plan.
Don't lose.
The blast was loud and there was totally confusion and concern for the employees. Thankfully, a reminder the Arizona Department of Corrections says of just how dangerous a prison can get. Stephanie Doss, NBC.
Coming up, the popular beach now sealed off to visitors.
Janice, Mom told me you bought a house. So now that you have a house, you can use home for exploring.
Jake, you cheat. You use 2 hands.
Janice, look, I'm in
You're allowed to use your hands.
Yeah.
Jake, you do have a good strategy with 2 hands.
simple questions online and get coverage options to choose from. You're really my working mom.
Oh my gosh, Chuck.
Jenny really likes
Chuck, chill out.
Stumble.
Oh my gosh. I just burnt him for this at the same time.
John, do you have bacon wrap cash?
No, I got cash wrap bacon.
That's more better, I think.
Jenny, stop pounding on the table. Stop, Jack.
Stop. I will throw you outside.
That doesn't help.
Yeah, you can. Actually, you don't.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
John.
Squeal! Squeal!
Sis.
Oh, Jake.
I'm gonna burp on it so I'll fall down.
I customize everything. Bike,
Even my calves.
saddle. That's why I switched to Liberty Mutual. They customize my insurance. So
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna slap you.
my cats are custom too. But I can't insure them. Which is a crown share.
John, you're not John.
I'm not John, or I'm not Jumbo.
What's so
There's like nothing to do.
Jealous. Jealous.
Jealous. Jealous. Oh my gosh.
This is getting very sketchy now.
Yeah, it's very sketchy now. Sheets.
We're back now with that
Stop.
in California. It happened during the government shutdown. No one on duty to stop the elephants.
Whoever wins this one gets to go. Whoever wins this one. Okay?
There's Morgan Chesky.
Yeah, whoever wins this plays the winner of me and Jack.
Yeah. Okay?
A seal explosion.
After it's me and Jack.
Can you guys stop
No,
talking?
after it's me and John. And then it's me and David. And whoever wins that round will go against
You're definitely
you,
cheating.
And then if I
You can't hold it like that,
Yes,
Didi.
you can.
No, you
why
can't. I wasn't
Oh my
holding it like that. I
gosh.
was fixing the pieces.
Oh my gosh.
How are you deciding how she can use 2 hands and you can't?
Are you serious?
So
So I can just hold the pieces like this. Just fix it right here.
Yes.
Fix it right here.
Yes. Now you're stuck. Now it's gonna fall.
John.
Hey, Jake, just move that piece right there at the bottom, and then it'll just all fall and it'll land right perfectly.
Hold it right here so I can grab it. Make sure it doesn't move. Let me just hold it again.
You can't do that. I didn't do that.
You did the same thing. Oh, look, I'm just gonna fix it so it doesn't fall. Because that's what your rules are playing by.
What are the rules anyway?
You can't hold it so it doesn't fall. Let me just hold it.
Are you in good hands?
Let's call him.
Almost kid.
The cat and the dog are kissing.
The only direction is forward.
Boyfriend and girlfriend.
Kitty cat.
It's gone, Judy.
Oh my god.
It's your turn.
Oh my god.
John, you are not
I'm
John.
not John. Wait, I'm not cheating. Stop calling everyone John.
Why do you keep everybody John?
It's the easiest name. It's the only one I can remember.
Yeah, because I'm your favorite.
No. Technically, I'm the youngest.
You lose.
Okay, John's turn.
Alright, me versus John.
Yeah, and then
Alright.
whoever wins this one versus Jade.
Everyone can play. Just go one at a time.
Whoever wins this one versus Jade, okay?
Yeah, put a key.
No, whoever wins that one versus Jake.
No.
Yeah, and the loser.
You lost.
You lost.
The loser of me and
You're a loser.
the loser of
Oh,
me
yeah.
and Jumbo plays Jake.
That's the loser.
And then the winner plays Jake.
Technically, logically, I'm gonna win.
You're gonna play Jake.
Hurry up, John.
No, you're
Alright,
gonna
chill.
play Jade. I'm gonna play Jade.
No, that's Jake's not good.
I'm the master.
Am I start losing?
That was the longest dang game I've ever been.
Master of the
Where
skies.
did all his piece go?
At the skies?
Master of the skies.
He changed the game.
Your thing is called a retirement thing.
Come, fix it.
I am fixing it, Jake. Chill.
I wanna.
I'm gonna make Jake reach over, or Jack reach over, so that he has to go like that and he shakes the table.
Those broad shoulders carrying
Smart.
the hopes of black Americans everywhere. There he is outside Ebbets Field. The day
I wanna
after
play.
he broke
Let's
his
play. No. Only two.
Yeah.
Julie, not going.
Coach Robin made one for us last year.
I wanna go here. No.
which comes with
No, JD's out. JD's out already.
Yeah, JD's out. So if you lose,
You're out.
How do you do that?
bounded.
And then you're gonna be out next.
If you lose, you're bounded from Fortnite.
You're bounded from Fortnite.
Bounded. So you go first.
I go first?
Yeah.
at Jackie Robinson School in New York City.
Alright.
You gotta help you out a little bit.
Put it back just how it was.
Hi guys, this is John here. Add me, I got a little boy there too.
That's it for January vlogs. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching all my vlogs. If you did, if you're OG, thanks so much for watching. Don't worry, I will still be posting. I'll be posting 3 times a week. I've decided Monday, Friday, and Sunday. Maybe not Monday, Friday, maybe like Monday, Wednesday, and then Sunday. But for sure Monday and Sunday. And so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks so much for watching. I've definitely grown, and my subscriber changed, and like how I like talk to the camera and stuff. But yeah, I just want to say that. So make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked the January vlogs. Maybe I'll do Vlogmas at the end of this year, or I can do January vlogs for 2020. It's not like very soon, so I have a lot of time to think about that. But make sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications. Also, if you want, you can shout me out and help me out, like grow my... Okay, I was thinking of J-Gang, but I don't know about that, so I'm still thinking about it. But if you could, tell your friends about me. Tell your friends about my channel. I'll see you, not tomorrow, I will see you in my next video.
I'm gonna say no.